This is one valiant little ant. What is that? Oh, it's a piece of a pistachio. It's probably not even good to eat. All the ants came onto my desk because I forgot last night I drank tea and I left it out at my desk overnight, and all the ants are inside because of the rain. Here comes your little friend to help you. Here he comes. Here he comes. That one's huge. He's backing up. Oh, don't give up. Oh. He's gotta enlist some more helpers, I think. Hello. Luca, come here. Luca. Come here. He's so happy. Come here, little jumper. Yesterday she got a bone, like a circular bone, stuck on her mouth like this. And she was freaking out, and I was freaking out. I thought her teeth were all gonna break out. But I'm about to cut a cantaloupe and toast the seeds, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it because a lot of people don't know how. Cut a cantaloupe. So get all of this out. Put it in the colander. You want to separate all the seeds from the fleshy stuff that was on the inside. So now they should look like this with no pulp attached to them. There's a lot more in here now because I had another set that I was saving till I baked both cantaloupes, but you can just do one. You don't have to dry them off or anything beforehand, and you don't have to spray. You don't have to grease the pan, you don't have to use any oil. You just set them on there and then kind of like lay it out so that they're not all stacked up. And the oven should be on about 350. You can also do it in the toaster oven. But you just have to be really careful because last time I did that I burnt them. So since it's smaller, you have to pay way more attention to it. Alright, these are the spices. This is what I use on basically everything. It's my secret ingredient on sandwiches, everything. Herbamare Original. They also have a spicy version, and it comes from health food stores, and it's like a sea salt with like dried herbs in it, and it's super delicious. So this is what I use, but if you don't have that or some other kind of like weird salt thing, you can just use regular salt. If you don't need any oil and you just want to start sticking it on. Broken thing. So this is garlic powder, not garlic salt. If you use garlic salt, obviously don't use salt again. Unless you are a fish and you love swimming in salt. Luca apparently went and jumped in the pond, so I have to go wash her, but put those in the oven for 10 minutes. Really 20 minutes, but start checking after 10 minutes. This is what they look like. No? This is a really weird food that it's like particular to my family. I've never seen anybody else make it, but it's really good. Do you guys have anything in your family that's like something that only you guys make? Tell me what it is. Troublemakers. What'd you do, Luca? She jumped in the pond. It's not normally a pond, but, well, normally it's just a tiny little pond, but right now it's a big old pond of dirty water, so she's in big trouble, and now I have to give her a bath. Rats! Look how they stick together. Rats. Look at this girl! Listen, can you hear her breathing? Of course you can hear Luca. Can you hear her breathing? Well, she should have gone in the pond because she had to take a bath anyway, so may as well have a little adventure. Sorry, Annie. They go wild when they just had a bath. And then you'll just hear that like thundering noise throughout the house for like 30 minutes till they get tired.
You know what?
What?
This
Oh my gosh,
is what
it's
we were debating on
huge.
buying last night for 30 bucks.
Really? How much is it?
I gotta look at this.
How much is it? $3.99?
10 bucks. It's 10 bucks. I'm gonna call Justin.
I'm so glad this happened because I love Goodwill and now you're always gonna like it here too. So Yuki found that
It's like a
great Nerf
legitimate
gun that he wanted, and then this little kid really wanted it, so I gave it to him, but then he couldn't get it. But then before Yuki could get it, another little kid picked it up. So now Yuki's like watching them to see if he can get the gun. Where are they?
Let me slow down.
I just saw a celebrity. Here they come! Oh no, they're gonna see me filming them because they saw me. It's the people that make the honey. Or they have the bees that make the honey that I use. The guy saw me look at him so happy. Yes, there's their phone number too. He saw me look at him with this happy look on my face because I saw they have the big sticker from the honey place. And it says, "Be my honey." And I was like, oh my gosh, those are the honey people. Because I wanted to get like a gallon size refill so I didn't have to waste a bottle. I love your honey. I love your work, bees.
Can you get the number?
I don't know. I don't want them to see me and think I'm creepy. Hi, Yuki.
Hello.
Just getting bored. Let's go see these sailboats. It's so peaceful today. It's like making up for all the stormy time. So I was swimming along and these little fish came and joined me, and they were like this big, but there was like a whole school of them, and we swam about, well, how long was this swim?
20 minutes? Yeah.
Probably like 20 minutes, and they just stayed with me, and they were so cute and so sweet to swim with me all that way. You guys settling in for the night? Look at this little baby. Uh-oh, she's getting mad. The parents are getting mad. It's okay, I'm not gonna hurt your baby. Okay, I'll go. I'll go. Did you see the scary face just they were doing? Sorry. The mama and daddy were coming after me. They were like, back off. This is our nest.